Houston, we have two problems. Problem number one is this motorhome I want to film is right on the busiest freeway in Northern California. And problem number two is I'm too lazy to move it. So welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. And today I'm doing a pre-owned Class C motorhome. This is an Odyssey 30Z. It has 24,000 miles, tons of outside storage, 2 slide outs, frameless windows, big power awning. It has less than 24,000 miles. We're gonna hop in. Now an Odyssey is just another sister product to the Jayco. So it's basically a Jayco Class C motorhome with a different name on it. Booth dinette, couch slide, both convert into a bed. In fact, let's see if we can get some power in here. Power on. All right. Now, the seats, really great condition. You've got your radio, backup camera, extended mirrors. It is on a Ford gas chassis. So this is going to be a V10. This is before the Godzilla motor. Normal Class C overhead bed, but that's USB charging stations. Let's just pop over here. It actually has cup holders as well. Now, as I said, you got the booth dinette that turns into a bed. You got the couch that turns into a bed with overhead storage. Now, I'm a fan of Class C motorhomes over Bs. I know a lot of people are into the whole van life situation, but vans don't have enough storage to go camping for a while. It is a very small, compact motorhome with not a lot of payload, not a lot of room for error, and it doesn't get much better gas mileage or miles per gallon than a gas Class C. The difference is not going to change your life when it comes to filling up at the pump, especially with gas prices the way they are. Yeah, got lights everywhere. Now, I don't like the 2-piece sink. That's just a personal thing for me. I like a 1-piece sink. I like pozole, tortilla soup. You need big pots, big pans to, cook that stuff when you want to camp. You need a big sink to clean them. 3-burner stove and oven, microwave, good little organizational drawers. Eight cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. Now everybody's gonna look, what's the price? Well, it is on sale for $60,000. That's what the person that put it up on consignment wants to get. Flat screen TV, fireplace, directly across from the sofa, so you don't have to be turning your neck to watch TV. Good storage. Okay. Coming in, you got what I call the split bath, but we'll start in the bedroom. The bedroom's got a full walk-around queen bed, closets on each side. There also is a TV already in the bedroom. Nice big closet on the side with drawers. So your socks, your underwear. Got plenty of storage all the way around. Medicine cabinet. Little sink with some space around here for toothbrushes, toothpaste, things of that nature. Areas for toilet paper. Linen closet over here. You can also substitute it also as a backup pantry as well. Lots of options. Really, really just clean unit. Now financing, if you were going to finance this, you'd probably need $7,000 or $8,000 down. Payments would probably be under $600 a month if you have really good credit and you want to do, let's say, a 15 or 20-year term, depending again on what the interest rate would be. Now, If you have an interest in this motorhome, in the description box below will be the website where it is located. Also, in the top right-hand corner of this video, I actually filmed a similar floor plan to this, but it was a little bit shorter. Until next time, remember, RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.